Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you very much to my returning subscribers for always supporting me. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Sharon Apot. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. This is the Oraimo Necklace 2 or Oraimo Oeb E74D. From the name, you can tell that it is a necklace wireless earphone from the Oraimo brand, a brand that is now very popular and well known. Do they sound good and are they really durable as claimed by Oraimo? Well, let's find out. These earphones deliver a clear, detailed sound with satisfying bass response, giving you an amazing sound experience during everyday activities. The built-in 220 mAh battery provides up to 310 hours standby or 12 hours of music play and talk time. This soft, lightweight neckband conforms to your body for all-day wearability. On the neckband is a 3-button remote and high-quality microphone, making it easy to stay connected and control your music. You can snap the earbuds together with its magnets when you're not using the earphones, and this is really cool. These buds have a talk range of 10 meters and Bluetooth version 5.0, which means enhanced capabilities. The earphones come in a good-looking premium box with Oraimo branding. It looks very impressive. In the box, we have the Necklace 2 neckband, a small black box with a quick guide, a Type A charging cable, replacement earbuds and wings. The neckband has got a good design. It is mostly made from plastic with some rubber and some metal components. The build material feels good on the hands and are smooth, giving you a comfortable feel on the neck. The earphones are lightweight and do not strain the neck. The noise cancellation on these earphones are also amazing. If the default earbuds and wings do not fit in your ear perfectly, you can always adjust from the extra ones since they come with a bigger one than the default and a smaller one than the default. If you decide to buy these earphones, you'll be getting 365 days warranty, which is pretty cool. If you're looking for something that isn't too expensive, then you'll love the sound and production quality from these earphones. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Remember to give it a thumbs up, and also if you have anything you'd like to add or any questions, you can always ask down at the comment section. Also, if you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video.